video, I'm gonna share with you why I quick key security is the best option for you. What I love is the set come with a deadbolt and a regular locks, and it's under $55. Everything is very simple, and basically the instruction comes inside, but like I'm showing right now, you have the key and then you put a little tool that comes with it, and you insert the key inside, you put the little tool inside and you remove both of them, and then you put the new key that you want to master. So it's very simple, okay? You cannot go wrong, but it comes with instructions. Other thing that I have done in the past is that I have changed a tunnel locks on the property, and I did came across a video.
It's called landlord locks. And the way landlord locks works is I turn it this way to unlock the lock, right? If I turn it the other way, I should be able to yank it out and see if I can do it. There we go. I can pull that cylinder right out of there. Cool, huh?
See, in this previous option, you can replace the whole cylinder. Now, on this new option that I have, you can replace just the key. If you want me to create a new video showing you how to do everything step by step, please let me know in the comments, okay? In the meantime, please help the channel grow by subscribing to the channel, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Thank you. Bye.